Hello viewers, we have x to the power 8 plus x plus 1, and the question is, how will you factorize this equation? But please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Now let's get started. Now with this one, we can rewrite the whole of this equation as x to the power 8 minus x to the power 2 bracket closes plus x to the power 2 plus x plus 1. Now this one is the same as this. This is because this x to the power 2 and x to the power 2, when we add it, it will be 0. Now the equation will go back to the original equation, so this one can cancel this one, so this one is the same as this. Now let's move on. Now what we have to do next is to deal with this equation by factoring x to the power 2 out. So my x to the power 2 out, this one gives me x to the power 6 minus 1 bracket closes plus the whole of this one, x to the power 2 plus x plus 1 bracket closes. So now I'll have my x to the power 2 multiplying. Now this one, I can write this one as x to the power 3 plus 1 bracket closes multiplying my x to the power 3 minus 1 bracket closes. Now this one is the same as this, plus the whole of this one, x to the power 2 plus x plus 1. Now let's move on. Now from here, what I have to do is to expand x to the power 3 minus 1. So I will have my x to the power 2 multiplying my x to the power 3 plus 1 bracket closes multiply. Now this one gives me x minus 1 multiplying x to the power 2 plus x plus 1 plus the whole of this one, x to the power 2 plus x plus 1. Now from here we can see a common term here, common terms, so we can factor the whole of this one out. So factoring out, I'll have my x to the power 2 plus x plus 1 out. So my x to the power 2 multiplying my x to the power 3 plus 1 multiplying my x minus 1 plus this one gives me 1 after factorization. Factoring this one out, this is what I'll have. Now what I have to do next is to continue as my x to the power 2 plus x plus 1 bracket closes multiplying my x to the power 2. Now I will multiply these two terms as this one gives me x to the power 4 negative x to the power 3 plus x minus 1 bracket closes plus 1 bracket closes. So now I will have my x to the power 2 plus x plus 1 bracket closes multiplying. Now I'll multiply this x to the power 2 with this one. So multiplying this one, I'll have x to the power 6. Since they are having the same base, we'll add the exponent minus my x, adding the exponent, I'll have 5. So I'll have x to the power 5 plus it applies to this one too. My x here, 2 plus 1 gives me to the power 3 minus x to the power 2, bracket closes, plus 1. So now my final factorization will be x to the power 2 plus x plus 1, bracket closes, multiplying x to the power 6 minus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 3 minus x to the power 2 plus 1, bracket close. So this is my final factorization. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos.